Hello, welcome to the demo of Choropleth, an Excel add-in that helps you create Choropleth maps, also known as thematic maps, using the Bing Maps and the Spatial Data Services API. The Office Store comes with a Bing Maps add-in that lets you create maps from your data in Excel, but it has a few restrictions. First of all, Bing Maps doesn't create Choropleth maps, which is what the Choropleth add-in focuses on. Also, Bing Maps only supports up to 100 data points. So here I have a sheet with a list of countries and their populations. I have the top 150 countries. Now if I were to select this data and try to plot it in Bing Maps, it won't let me because I'm only allowed to plot up to 100 points at once. So let me select fewer countries, and if I were to plot it, now this is good. So you have different size circles depending on the population amount, but this is still not a Choropleth map, which looks like this, where higher populations are shaded darker colors, and countries with lower populations are shaded in lighter colors. Also, Bing Maps does not support non-numeric data. So here I have a sheet with a list of the 50 US states along with the party that won the election in 2016, but I cannot plot this using Bing Maps because it doesn't support non-numeric data. Now let's see how Choropleth can help us create maps. Let's get rid of the Bing Maps add-in. I'm going to load Choropleth here. I'm selecting all 150 countries with their populations, and once I click on plot, the add-in calls the Microsoft Spatial Data Services API to get the polygon boundaries, and here we have a Choropleth map with countries shaded in colors according to their populations. So higher populations are darker and lower populations are lighter. And it also works on non-numeric data such as this. Select all the states and plot. So here we have a thematic map with each state colored according to the data here, even though it's not numeric data. To show you another example, so here I have a list of countries along with their types of government, whether they are a republic or a monarchy. Selecting a few countries here just for an example. Click on plot, and there we go. So we have different colors based on the data, even though it's not numeric data. And finally, here we have a list of counties in Connecticut along with their population. Now, if I were to plot this in Bing Maps, it shows me the cities with the different size circles for the population, but this is still not showing me the county borders, which is what I want when I'm creating a Choropleth map. So if I were to plot the same data here using Choropleth, I get a nice thematic map with different counties shaded in lighter to darker colors depending on the population. Thanks for watching.